Hello friends, welcome back to Coding Chess, and I'm glad to have you guys back. And so today I have something that I cooked up for you guys. Today I'm gonna be telling you guys more about some HTML and tags, like more of the p tag, the heading tag, the image, the list, other lists, and the rest of that, including the div tag. So I really do hope that you guys learned a lot of things from the other video, the first video in which we did previously. So today, like, we have something new we're gonna be doing. So back to my VS Code. This was where we stopped from the last video. So today we're gonna kickstart something new. So firstly, let me okay, before I get rid of this, let me just open this up with live server so that we'll see how it looks. Hope you guys remember this, and let's get fun times coming. So voila, here you go. This is our p tag h1, h2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So these are contents contained inside the body tag of our HTML and ML elements, which are displayed on the screen. And as you could see here, the document, like, this was contained in the title. So let's get back and paste our after this. So first things first, I want to get rid of all this. So let's start like fresh. Like, let me freshen things up. So firstly, I'll start with the p tag. We all know the p tag, but let me just start with the p tag in case of those of us that didn't get it better from the last video. So t, so I'm gonna say my name is Nelson. Yep, because that's my name. Then we have the p tag. The p tag is referred to as the paragraph tag. Like, it's more like, since, like, if you just want to give a plain text for something, like my name is not like in a HTML element, like we use this like most often. It's not as if like there's something special or something added to it. Like when you talk of something special, it's maybe when you want to style the p tag, maybe you come inside and add attributes like class, like class class attributes. You give it a value, or maybe an ID. You give it a value. But for now, I'm still gonna teach you guys like more about attributes. So, but let's leave this for now. So this is the p tag, the paragraph tag. As you know, let's save. So I'm gonna go over, and you could see how it looks on my web browser. Let me zoom in. So this is how it looks on my web browser. My name is Nelson. So let's get back, and so after p tag, so we did the heading tags last time. I told you guys that we have heading 1 to 6. So this h1. So I'm gonna say what am I gonna say this time? Yeah, let me just say today. Okay, say today is good. Yeah, because definitely today is good. I don't know for you, but I really do hope today is good for you also. So Ctrl C, come down, then paste. Okay, my bad. Right, and come down, paste again, paste, paste, and paste. So let me give space from this. Well, before I continue, there's something I want to let you guys know about, like comments. There's something we call comments in programming language. Like anything that's been commented inside your project, it's not gonna have any functionality. Like, it's just like something being dead. You know, when a human being is dead, like it can't function, it can't run again, can't do anything. Like, it's gonna exist inside here, but on the web page, on this place, on our web page here, you're not gonna see it. So let me practicalize that for you guys. So let me say um never mind, cause I am a comment. Yeah, never mind, cause I'm a comment. So if I save this, then come over to our browser, you're gonna see this, but like this not making sense. Like coming inside the HTML body tag and just like putting out some plain text like that, like, doesn't make sense. Like it's best if you just put them inside the a tag. So it's really gonna display on the screen as you see guys. So see it on the screen, but not making sense. But what I'm trying to say that you guys can see that displayed in our web browser. So right now, if I go ahead and comment, so this is how we comment in HTML, less than, exclamation mark, dash dash, then you come over to right, dash dash, then you close it. So if I save again, then let's go to our web browser. Let's can see it's normal, like it's there, like it's not existing. So I'm gonna make use of comments. Like we'll make use of comments so as to like explain our works for other developers. Maybe you have a project you doing with someone as a team, you understand, maybe it's not only working on the project, so you have to comment your work so that maybe if you pass the project on down the follow your fellow developer is gonna know maybe what he's gonna do, and it just makes things easy. Just say we use comments for explanation to make things explanatory. Likewise to yourself, it's gonna be explanatory to you also, so it helps a lot. So right now this is not making any meaning to me, so let me get rid of this and let me say something that has meaning. So I'm gonna say this is a paragraph tag. Yeah, so of course this is a paragraph tag, and then so down here let me make use of another comment. So let me come over here and click tab, so that it's gonna get in, and I'm gonna say these are heading tags. Yep, these are heading tags. So yeah, you're not gonna sit down and watch me change the values of all this, so just give me a minute, I'm gonna back. So yep, right back, and you could see H1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and if we save this, then go over to our web browser. So as you can see, it's more like something descending from being a big post, something being little. So you can see today is good, this is biggest, followed by this. So you could see like it's descending and like it's decreasing in font size. So you could see, so H1 is the greatest, followed by H2, 3, 4, and down to 6. So there's also something I want to let you guys know about. In HTML, we do have some elements that start with an opening tag. As you can see here, this is an opening tag, H1 opening tag, and we close it with a closing tag. So same 2 down to 6. So for the paragraph tag, if you come here, come for the paragraph tag, opening tag, then come over here, okay, come over here on the closing tag. So we do also have elements that they only have opening tag. So what differentiates these two? I already know right now, you could tell the difference. So you could see this backslash over here, it indicates that this is a closing tag. So I'm going to give you guys an example of an element like without only has an opening tag. So example of those elements, we have image. So let me use my comment. So right now I'm gonna say this is an image tag. So drop. So I'm gonna say img, sorry, img, then hit enter. So automatically when you hit enter, you could see the image tag comes along with some attributes. Source, we have source, then we have the auth. So for the source, like this is kind of like where, like location where you want to get the image in which you want to upload to the web browser from. So currently in my project I don't have any image, so right now let me go get some image and come back. So you currently I do have 2 images right now inside my project folder. So inside my project folder, new project, I created a new folder and I named it image. And inside the image folder I do have 2 images, Christmas-10 that and also Christmas.png. So nothing big here. How I did this was I just came inside my project folder, new, under this new project, I clicked over here, I clicked here, then I created a new folder. But right now I already have a new folder, I don't want to create a new folder, so I'm gonna click out. Then so I created the image folder, I just went to my folder, I went down to my folder. So here's my folder, and I just picked Santa Claus, and I came back to my project and I dropped Santa Claus. So let me just pick another image aside having Santa Claus. So let me pick this one. So you just copy it. You could do Ctrl C, but let's just drag and drop. Yep. So as you can see, it's added here. So you see it's displayed here. So let me get rid of this. So back to image. So we're gonna the image I wanna pick right now is this first one, Christmas dash then. So I wanna like create a directory to that, like or paths to locating this where it's located. So that's the function of the source. So you could come over here and say dot dash. This simply means like relative directory, then the dash, then you can see this way I want to go the image, then inside the image the first one Christmas to then and click on it. So right now I'm gonna save so that you guys can see how this looks. I know it's not gonna look so good, but let me show you guys quickly how it looks on the web page. So let's scroll down so you can see like it's not so good right now. So let's just do some quick styling to make it look perfect, at least for the meantime. So I'm gonna say height. So let me just say 100 pixels. Then wait. Let me also say, let me just say 350 pixels. I don't know how this is gonna look, but let's try. See how it's gonna look. So let me say press and get back and scroll down. Voila. So here you go. You can see Santa Claus saying hi, hi. So actually, I don't know why I do like Santa Claus a lot, though I know this is not Christmas season, but you know, I just have something like I just love to show Santa Claus. So you can see Santa Claus saying hi to me, hi. So right now you can see I've popped up our image in the web page. So you see how I did it. So it's like a direct path to where okay. So if I want to get rid of this first image, maybe I want to get another image. So let me cancel this. Maybe you want to get the second one. Let's say dot this, sorry, then image again, then the second one, then save, then let's go. Here you go. So sensor number two. So but I don't know, I just do love Santa Claus a lot. So there you go, it's looking so good. Yeah, so that's it for the image tag. So actually, as you can see, the image tag, it's only has an opening tag. It doesn't have a closing tag, unlike the H6 and the H1. You can see opening, and over to the side you can see closing. So but this only has an opening tag. So for the alt attribute, like this just like describes for us, like maybe like it's like it just tells like viewers more about the image. Maybe sorry about that. Sec. Yeah, I'm really sorry about that. So let's continue. So for the auth, like the auth just like tells us maybe about the image. So since I have Santa Claus, I could say this is Santa, then save. So after we save it, so let's head over to the browser. Actually, like you're not gonna see anything, you're not gonna see the text. So we just so like to me that doesn't have much functionality like in the image tag. So we also have some elements like some tags like lists, whereby we have another list and ordered list. So let me make a comments. Let me just say lists. Yep. So down here I'm gonna say another list. So inside another list I'm gonna say list items. So list. So let me say inside the first one I'm gonna say one. Let me just say days of the week. Monday, and again li, and I'm gonna say Tuesday, and let me go to the last one, Wednesday, and li. I'm gonna say Wednesday. Yep. So let me save and get over here and scroll down so you could see Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So you could see they come along with some like dots. So this how or another list is always gonna look like. But you also can change, you can change this using CSS styling. So later I'm gonna treat CSS styling and we're gonna do more about this. So for now I'm just know that this is gonna look. So that's for another list. So let me get down, and this time around I'm gonna say other lists. Then under other lists so that it doesn't gonna be same. So I'm gonna say lists. Then I'm gonna say, since I did Monday to Wednesday, I'm gonna do Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Thursday. Then you could do copy and paste, but let me just do this manually. Thursday and Friday. Then Thursday, I'm gonna say okay, sorry. My bad. Live and Friday, then Saturday. And save this real quick. Then get over to your web browser and scroll down and you see Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So as you can see, they also come along with numbers. So for the other lists, they are numbered, and for the another list, they come with dots, and you know. So this I was gonna look like this, just like how make these items, or maybe you're making a website and you want to make list item, or maybe materials you have available, and so you can make use of this. So it's a good element. So don't more. So I also want to emphasize about some elements, like we have what we call semantic elements and non-semantic elements in HTML. So for the semantic element, we could say it describes its meaning to the browser and the developer. So for example, we do have form, header, nav, and footer. So these are semantic elements. So for non-semantic elements, we could say it tells nothing about its content. So example, we do have div and we have span. So right now, I want to make use of a non-semantic element. So this is like this is not nothing like you gonna as in like get head on or get head with. So if you don't know about it, you would maybe go to your web browser, browse about it, and just get to know it. So and actually, like you really don't need to have all this in your head, like the p, the h, or coming to cram the elements, the image, this. No, maybe anytime like you've forgotten something, because it's common. Most times I myself, I do feel that, oh, I don't even know this thing, but I have my browser there for me, and I have everything I need. So you could just walk over to your web browser to come over here. For example, semantic elements. I'm talking about semantic elements. So you could see this is a website, the Literary School. So I'm making reference to this website. This is a very good website for developers, both beginners, intermediate, and advanced. So you could come over here, scroll, and learn a lot. So you can see semantic elements, non-semantic elements, and the rest of that. So also you can come over here, HTML files, but I'm gonna treat this in the next video. So if, let me say, there's something confusing, you can come here, make browse, like make research, then get back to your code and implement it. So that's how it's really done. So right now I'm gonna give you guys example of non-semantic elements. So as I said, a non-semantic elements like describe its meaning to sorry, it tells nothing about its content to the developer or the browser. So like it's just like meaningless, but not like meaningless, but just kind of, you understand. So I'm gonna make use of an element called div. So what this does is kind of like, let me say, grouping. It kind of groups like different things you want to do in your code into sections. So take for instance, like let me call this P section 1, page 1 to 6, 2, image section 3, then come down, this is 4 and 5. So let me so right now I want to group them into 5 sections. So I could just easily come here, cut this, and then get inside here and paste. So hit the tab, yeah, and paste. So likewise, I'm gonna do the same thing to all these elements, put them inside sections. So right, then right over here, Control V, then this. tab, tab. It's in. So likewise, like you just do this for the rest of the elements. So I don't want to take much of the time. So you just group them into different sections by using the div tag. So for the semantic elements, we have example, we have header, we have form. Like the form like collects users inputs, like it gets some users input and maybe sends it to the back end of the website, maybe to the PHP when you do something to the server to do something whereby you might send a push request and the rest of that. So just don't worry, I'm gonna take you guys on the phone from in the next video. So let me show you guys reference to what I'm talking about. So for example, you know the popular Domino's website. So automatically, like, okay, right now this how the site looks so good and so nice, you know. So the UI is very friendly, like it looks so good. So here, as you can see, you could see from here to here where you see this line, this is the header. So semantic elements. So inside this header, you could see all these elements inside here. These are all elements, like these are all HTML text displayed in the web browser inside here, inside the header. So scroll down, you could see this is our body. You could see our body, maybe our body could use div tag. Don't worry, like I'm gonna treat more on that. We're gonna use these elements more often, so it's nothing to feel somehow. So and beneath this, here you see about us, service community. So you could see this is the filter. So the filter use the filter like for the bottom of the website, maybe to end the website, maybe you want to talk about what you have, about our services community and contact us. So that's the function of the filter as a semantic element. And I also told you guys where we use the header semantic elements above here. So I've told you guys of header and filter. So